Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Roblox. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in roblox.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the Roblox website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and then use your credentials. After logging in, you will end up within the home page, from which, in order to change your password, click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Now, from the Settings page, you will find your password within the account info section. Go ahead and click on the edit icon at the right side of your password and you will be allowed to enter your new password. Type in your old password first within the first box and then type in your desired new password underneath. You will then need to enter this new password once again within the confirm password box, and finally you can click on the update button and your password will be changed right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your Roblox account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.